Hey guys, so I am back with another video, and this one will be super quick because it has to be. It is currently 11:37 p.m. and I have work tomorrow, God willing. I need to leave home by 5 a.m. So I have decided that I am going to do a quick wash and go, and then I'm going to try to blow dry the roots of my wash and go at least. I have never tried this method before. I generally like my wash and goes to be air dried, and I just felt the need to wash my hair because my hair hasn't been washed for the week. And I don't know if you guys ever feel like that, but when my hair isn't washed, I tend to feel like grease is crawling all over my face. So when I start to feel like that, I know I must wash my hair. I will put the products I use down below in the description box. Okay guys, it's still damp, it's just not super wet anymore. And this is how it has dried. I am going to put on the blow dryer again, and I'm going to pull it out so that it will be even. It has dried fairly soft. The center is still a little wet, but I at least know that I will keep my curls and they'll not all be mushed when I go to sleep, which is about now. So I'm just going to pull out in a few sections just to elongate it a little bit, and then that will be that for me. So this will be it for tonight for me. I'm just going to add a little bit of this oil, Caribbean Girls Hair Oil. I would have mentioned it in my live video. I really enjoy this oil. It's a local oil. The smell isn't high-end type smell, but it works really well. It's very light. It's not super heavy, although it has castor oil and oils that my hair generally does not respond well to. It's very smooth. It's a very nice blend. It has a very interesting ingredient, honey. So I'm just going to add a little into my hair, and I will call that a night. So I will ship my hair tomorrow, God willing. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with a friend, guys, and subscribe. Let me know if you do wash and goes on your hair, and if you do, what your process is like. See, I'm still tired. This is what my hair is looking like. Can you believe it? Ridiculous. This is still going up. My roots are a roll tuck and pin because when I grew natural, these were the styles for type 4 hair girls. So I just rolled up the back, and I will show you guys quickly. So it's a quick roll tuck and pin, nothing fancy. I have to leave the house now. I need to get to work. So this is what my hair looks like. So this will have to do for today.
My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown so heavy, my crown so heavy.